Are you ready, Cuddles? All right, take your seat. Welcome, everybody, to the Sin Adventure. I'm James Showers, cleanest name in the biz, by the way. I have Cuddles over here. She is a registered, certified, and documented scent specialist. Okay, don't let anyone out there in the interwebs tell you differently. Guys, what I'm here for today is a little unboxing. And I guess we're gonna go ahead and give you a little update too. I don't typically do those on this channel and everything, but as you can see, my studio is in shambles. It is all in disarray. I've got items everywhere. Nothing's put together here. The lighting in this room is well, to be desired. I have this little chiclet looking thing as a microphone, and I have to hold it right here because it doesn't actually get good sound if it's clipped onto my shirt as it's supposed to be. I also have a new phone that I absolutely hate, and it is making it difficult to make videos. So, enough crying. That's the update. I'm having technical difficulties. Cuddles, how are you doing? You want to say anything to the people? You've been requested to join in on the videos. Did you know that? She's speechless. Guys, we have a box here, an order that I put in to Valhalla Beard and Body. Now, this is one of my favorite companies out there. They did make the top 10 list for soap makers, and they have beard products, they have awesome soaps, and I was excited to give these guys a try. If you haven't checked out Valhalla Beard and Body, I highly recommend it. The owner, Tim, is an awesome dude, and he helped me put this box together and hook me up. So let's see what's inside. We're going to open it all up, and we're going to see what kind of products that we have to try out and showcase for you this year. And let's see if Valhalla Beard and Body makes it into the top 10 again. Guys, other than that, you like, share, subscribe. I shouldn't have to tell you that, but I might actually have to. Cuddles, do you have anything else to add before we open this box and we start losing all of our viewers? Okay, without any further ado, we are going to crack open this box. Let's see what we got inside. Alright, we're back, and as you can see, we have a bunch of different soaps here to take a look at in the future. He sent me out one of these cool stamped soaps that he does here. We've got beard butters, we got beard oils, we have beard washes. This Ragnarok beard butter and beard oil, I threw it in my beard right away. It smelled too good not to, and it was like instant soft over here. It's got a great scent. I can't wait to try the rest of this here soon. Let me know what you guys think of videos like this where I just kind of do a little unboxing and hang out with my bird and stuff, or if you guys want to see the more structured videos. Also, have you tried this brand? And if you have tried this brand, what scents are your favorite and which ones are you looking forward to trying in the future? Guys, you like, you share, you subscribe. I will see you on the next adventure. Actually, we'll see you on the next adventure. And peace.